Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to migrate to Shopify Plus. So step 1, import your store's content and data to Shopify. Step number 2, verify and organize your products after import. Step number 3, make your website visually appealing. Add a theme for the admin. Step number 4, set up your shipping. Step number 5, configure your taxes. Step number 6, setting up a payment provider. Step number 7, place some tests order. Step number 8, add staff to your store. Step number 9, set up your domain. Step number 10, migrate to Shopify Plus. And step number 11 is optional, but set up your SEO for success. And that's it. Thanks for watching.